Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we will discuss about the question number 1 to 6 of all the questions of tourism. And before starting this, I want to share something. And we are here for help you for providing all type of assignments of all the subjects in the PDF in the handwritten form. If you want these questions answers, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Here the question number 1, 2 and 3 all are the questions about the 40 to 60 words, and question number 4 and question number 5 is about 100 to 150 words, and question number 6, which is a project question, which you need to write in the 500 words. If you want these answers, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching, and we will meet you soon in the next video.